This chamber is totally unique to what it was in the past. We've rebuilt it from the ground up, working with a strong foundation focusing on economic and workforce development and those issues that matter most to our members in the business community, mainly creating a strong local economy, promoting the community, being an advocate for the businesses with local and state government, and providing networking opportunities so our businesses can meet new clients. If you go to MammothLakesChamber.org, it's a brand new website that we launched just a couple of weeks ago. You can click on the membership benefits and investment page and see all the benefits you get for your investment dollars. Basic dues start at $200 and go all the way up to the President's Circle membership of $3,000 a year. But at $200 a year, $16 a month, you more than get what you pay into for the marketing opportunities that the Chamber affords your business. Well, we do have the website, we have the weekly blast, but we also have educational opportunities. We're in partnership with the Small Business Development Center to bring technical assistance to the businesses in the community. Anything from IT to online marketing to financing, the whole gamut of business. We have business experts that are willing to work with you for free in partnership with the Small Business Development Center. It's a collective voice that is able to get things done through our advocacy and the collective voice of more than 200 businesses as members. People pay attention to what we say when we talk about what we need to create a strong business climate here in Mammoth Lakes. Well, they can go to info@mammothlakechamber.org, or they can email me directly at craig@mammothlakechamber.org, or they can give me a call at 934-6717. So we ask you to take part with the Mammoth Lakes Chamber of Commerce, where we're building businesses and growing community.